Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Wilcox here. I hope that you had an excellent weekend. I had a lot of fun with my family. We got outside and did some playing around in the sun and we played some games. I hope that you had some fun time with your family as well. Today is Monday and I'm really excited for the learning that we have for this week. I'm going to switch my screen and show you what we're going to be doing today. Alright, here I am on the Monday page. I got to this page from our home page and then clicking on the Monday link under step number 1. Here you can see here are all the ways that you can contact me. You can come over here and click on the chat board and you can see who is on chat right at the same time that you are, or you can post a message and people can see it at any time. Today on Zoom we're going to be wearing our pajamas and bringing a pet or a stuffed animal if you'd like to for our conversations. Remember that we picked out a few things to do each Zoom meeting this week, and so I'm excited for us to try it out for this first week. You can email me, send me a picture, or send me a text, and I love hearing from you guys and seeing you. Alright, you're watching this video that I'm making right now, which is awesome. After that, you're going to come down here and you're going to listen to this story, this read aloud story about lots of creatures and the environment under a rock, okay? And then after that, I want you to think and then write, would the environment be the same without some of those creatures? So think back to the story and how it explained all of the creatures and their purposes for living under that, in that habitat under that rock. And I want you to think if they would be different if some of the creatures were missing, and then I would like for you to write about it and then share that writing with your family, okay? So last week we learned about plants and seeds and how all of the different things in our in our environment interact with those plants to help them grow and reproduce, and so now we're going to kind of switch to learning about creatures, and plants are part of their environment and habitat as well, and so that's kind of how those two subjects tie together. So I'm excited for our learning about habitats this week, and here's our first story to start that. All right, this week we are switching from our graphs and our data collection to telling time. And I know we've been singing our telling time story all year when we were in the classroom, and also looking at those times on our schedules. And so I'm excited to kind of get into this learning. We are learning today about how to tell time to the hour. So some of you might know it might be a little bit of review, but that will be a good place for us to start. So after you watch this video, silly song, then click here and you can do some practice for telling time to the hour today. All right, moving down, we are switching from personal hygiene to healthy eating. And so this today and this whole week, we're going to be learning about ways that we can eat healthy and different food groups that are healthy for us. And so today I have a video of all the 5 food groups for you. I know we've done some work on this before, so this will be kind of a review, but I'm excited for the learning that we have for the next 2 weeks. So for the next 2 weeks, we're going to be talking about healthy eating and cover all 5 of those health groups, or those food groups, okay? All right, after you watch that, I want to know, do you eat food from each group each day? And then I would like for you to make a list of the food that you've eaten today or that you will eat, so that you can check and see if you're getting all 5 of those food groups in. So here is a helpful table. This might be one way that you could organize your information. There are tons of other ways that you could do, but if you want to use a table like this, here is an example, and this kind of ties back into our tally chart. So you could put tallies here, you could write the names of the foods that you've eaten. That's kind of up to you. It's up to you how you want to collect your data, okay? After you make your list or fill in your table, I want you to show that data to a family member and kind of discuss all of the different food groups and ways that you can get all of those different types of foods into your diet each day, okay? All right. Today our art activity goes with our healthy habit, and you're going to be drawing a 3D food pyramid. Now, this video has a lot of drawing to do because you're drawing greens and you're drawing fruits and vegetables and proteins and dairies and fats as well, but you don't have to fill all of those in. So if you just want to do the food pyramid today and color it and then go back and add those items all throughout this week, then that would be an excellent plan. If you want to fill in all of those food items, even though the video goes a little bit fast through drawing like loaves of breads and things like that, you're welcome to do that as well. But I have some fun videos planned for us this week that are going to show you how to draw some more of those things more specifically. And so if you want to just draw the pyramid and color it in today, that would work. If you want to fill in the whole thing, you're welcome to do that as well. All right, my friends, then you're going to click on the number 2 and go back to our home page and check out that step number 2. All right, my friends, I hope that you have a great day. I'm really excited for the learning that we have this week, and I can't wait to see you on Zoom and interact with you throughout the week. Have the best Monday, and I will see you later.